Introduction. Radio propagation in wireless communication refers to the behavior of radio waves when they are propagated from transmitter and receiver. There are three different modes of the physical phenomena that mainly affect the radio waves, which are reflection, diffraction, and scattering. Fading phenomena is modeled for high frequency, ultra high frequency, and super high frequency. Fading phenomenon is divided by two different types, which is the large scale fading and the small scale fading. Introduction. We use Okumura model for large fading. Okumura model is used to calculate antenna height and cover any area for mobile communication system. Okumura model is the most frequently used path loss model that can predict any path loss in any urban area. Okumura model is an example of a radio propagation. This model is ideal to be used in the city because in the city they have so many tall buildings that may cause blocking structures. Okumura model is the base of Hata model.
Small fading, red light fading, and Riccian fading. Red light fading is a specialist model for stochastic fading when there is no line of sight signal. In this fading, the amplitude gain is characterized and specified by a Rayleigh distribution. Riccian fading is a model specified for propagation caused by partial cancellation of radio signal by itself, which is the signal arrives at the receiver by several different paths and at least one of the paths is changing, either lengthening or shortening. In this fading, the amplitude gain is characterized by a Riccian distribution. Conclusion. There are few models of path modeling consisting Maxwell equation, free space path loose model, ray tracing model, simplified power fall-off models, and lastly the empirical models. For the small fading, we use the Rayleigh fading and Riccian fading channels, and the large fading we use the Okumura fading. Large fading defined as the average path loss and shadowing. And lastly, small scale fading defined as rapid variation of signal due to the constructive and destructive interference of any multipath that eventually meets each other and form this kind of interaction.